Stop by and take a look at the 2018 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, trip computer, child safety locks, overhead console, cargo area light, rear floor mats, compass. Come see the car for yourself.